Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to send a gift card on Vagaro. This is a great way to show your appreciation for someone or to give them the gift of choice. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been stumped on what to get someone for a birthday or holiday? Maybe you're not sure what their interests are or what they would like. If so, then a gift card is the perfect solution. Gift cards are a great way to give someone the freedom to choose what they want. They can use it towards anything from a massage to a new outfit. And with Vagaro, it's easy to send a gift card to anyone, anywhere in the world. So, let's get started on how to send a gift card on Vagaro. Step 1. Go to the Vagaro website. Step 2. Click on the Gift Cards tab. Step 3. Select the type of gift card you want to send. Step 4. Enter the recipient's information. Step 5. Choose a delivery method. Step 6. Pay for the gift card. Step 7. The recipient will receive an email with their gift card. That's it. You're done. Now that you know how to send a gift card on Vagaro, you can show your loved ones how much you care. Here are some additional tips for sending a gift card on Vagaro. You can customize the gift card by adding a message to the recipient. You can set an expiration date for the gift card. You can track the status of the gift card. You can resend the gift card if it is lost or deleted. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to use Vagaro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.